Oh, the mass pantland, to the Lord of Graces, the skies was rainy, the wind was high. Beside Kiltartan I met a maiden whose eyes waylaid me with sudden while. I gave her a greeting polite and stately. She answered the gracious as any queen. She said, "Oh, Raftery, could fate be kinder? Now step beside me to Ballylee." I stood bewitched by that twisome sweetness. My heart was leaping, my pulses raced. I stepped beside her across the meadows, and evening fell as we reached the gate. Glass on table, the ale was winking, head out the wrinkles I felt near. She said, "Oh, Raftery, now drink your welcome, there's strength in cellars and Ballylee." It's airy walking beside the mountains and looking down on Ballylee, with glens of blackthorn, bush and hazel and birds like fairies inquire you here. What use is all unless fate allots you the branches blossom to crown delight? I can't deny nor conceal it ever, she is my treasure, my sunlit sky. I walked through England and France for years once, through Spain and Greece and the long way home, and from Lochgrin to Galway's quayside, but her beauty's equal I've never known. Was my bride the flower of tears and oak now, through Loch Toro I'd ride my steed, by coasts and harbours and trackless oceans, if I lost the rosewood of Ballylee. Oh, Mary Hines, she's my choice of ladies, her matchless face and bewitching eyes. The host of learned scholars awearing one half her fairness could hardly ride. Don't talk of Venus, or Derda's true love, or Helen whose beauty filled the tribe with spears. The blossom of iron outshined their glory, the bright hued posy of Ballylee. O son of harvest, O starlings glancing, O longs of amber, my share and joy. Will you fly with me now before next Sunday? To all the world I'll do well a choice. On Sunday evenings I'll play you music when wicks illume the wine and the mead. O King of Glory, make dry the roadway that leads me over to Ballylee.